Everyday English conversation practice. At the post office.
Checking in. Hello, I'd like to check in a package for delivery, please.
Of course. May I have the package and the address label, please?
Sure, here you go, it's going to New York.
Great. And what size is the package?
It's a medium-sized box, not too heavy.
All right, let me weigh it. This will cost you around $15 for regular shipping.
That's fine. How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 5 to 7 business days.
That works for me. Do you need any more information?
Just the sender's details and the recipient's address. Have you filled out the form?
Yes, I filled it out already.
Perfect. I'll just process this and you'll be all set.
Thanks. How long will it take to get the receipt?
It'll just be a minute. I'll print it right now.
Great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Sending a package. Hi there. I'd like to send a package to California.
Sure, I can help you with that. Is it a letter or a parcel?
It's a parcel. I've already packed it.
Okay, can I take a look at it?
Sure, here you go.
Great. That looks like a large parcel. How heavy is it?
It's about 5 kilograms.
That will cost you about $20 for standard shipping.
That's fine. How soon will it arrive?
It should take around 4 to 6 business days.
Perfect. I need it to arrive before Friday.
If you want it to arrive faster, we have express shipping, which would cost $35.
I'll stick with standard shipping.
All right, I'll process it now. Would you like to track the package?
Yes, please.
I'll provide you with a tracking number. You can check the status online anytime.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Inquiring about postage rates. Excuse me, I need to know how much it will cost to send a letter to England.
Of course, the cost depends on the weight and size of the letter. Is it large or small?
It's just a regular-sized letter, not too heavy.
All right, that will be around $10 for standard shipping.
How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 7 to 10 business days.
And if I want to send it faster?
If you want express delivery, it will cost around $25, and it will arrive in 3 to 4 business days.
I'll stick with the regular service.
Okay, I'll take care of it for you. Do you need any help with the form?
Yes, I don't know what to write for the recipient's phone number.
No worries. Just put down the name and address. The phone number is optional.
All right, I'll fill that out now.
Great. Let me know if you need any more assistance.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Asking for special services. Hi, I need to send a package, and I'd like to use a special service for it.
Certainly. What kind of service are you looking for?
I need to send a fragile item. Can you help with that?
Yes, we offer fragile item protection. It's an additional charge, but it ensures your item is handled carefully.
How much is that?
It's an extra $5 on top of the regular postage.
That's fine. What do I need to do?
You'll just need to pack it securely and label it as fragile. I can provide some packing materials if you need.
That would be great. Can I get a box for it?
Absolutely, we have various sizes. Let me show you the options.
I think this medium-sized box will work.
Perfect. I'll add the fragile protection service to your order.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll take care of the rest now.
Thanks a lot for your help.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Buying stamps.
Hi, I'd like to buy some stamps. Can you help me?
Of course. How many stamps do you need?
I need 10 first-class stamps, please.
Sure, let me grab those for you. Are you sending letters?
Yes, I'm sending invitations for my wedding.
How exciting. Do you need any special stamps, or would the regular ones be fine?
Just the regular ones will do. How much are they?
The first-class stamps are $1 each, so for 10 it will be $10.
Great, here's the money. Can you tell me how to apply them?
Sure, you'll want to place one stamp in the top right corner of the envelope. Make sure the envelope is closed properly.
Got it. I've never had to mail this many invitations before, so I'm a little nervous.
It's totally understandable. If you'd like, I can help you check everything before you send them off.
That would be really helpful. Actually, I want to make sure everything's correct.
No problem. Let me just check a couple of things. Looks good. Just be sure to address each envelope clearly.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Best of luck with the wedding, and feel free to come back if you need anything else.
I appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Sending money. Hi, I need to send some money overseas. Can you assist me with that?
Absolutely. I can help with international money transfers. Where are you sending the money?
It's for my brother in Spain. I want to make sure it's secure and arrives quickly.
We offer a few different options for international transfers. You can choose between wire transfer or a service called Western Union. Both are fast and secure.
I've heard of Western Union. How much would it cost?
The fee depends on how much you're sending and the destination. For Spain, it's about $15 for a transfer under $1,000.
That sounds reasonable. How fast will it arrive?
If you choose Western Union, it can arrive in as little as 1 to 2 business days.
That's perfect. I need it to reach him by Friday.
You're in luck. If we process it today, he should have it within a couple of days.
Great. I'll go with Western Union. What do I need to do?
I'll just need some details, the amount you're sending, your brother's full name and address, and his ID number if you have it.
I've got everything ready. Here's the amount and his details.
Excellent. I'll take care of the rest. You'll receive a receipt with a tracking number.
Thank you. Can I track the transfer?
Yes, once the transfer is processed, you'll be able to track it online with the number I give you.
Awesome. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and feel free to come back anytime you need assistance.
I will. Thanks again.
Addressing a package.
Hi, I need to send this package, but I'm not sure if I filled out the address properly. Can you help me check?
Of course. Let me take a look. What's the destination?
It's going to my aunt in Florida.
All right, let's check the address label. You've got the street address right, but the zip code seems to be missing one digit.
Oh no, I didn't notice that.
No worries, we can fix it. The correct zip code for Florida should be 5 digits, not 4. Do you have your aunt's full address?
Yes, I do. Here's the correct zip code.
Great. I'll update that for you. Also, make sure the name is legible and the phone number is included in case of any delivery issues.
Got it. I'll fill that in right now.
Perfect. And don't forget to put the return address in the top left corner of the package.
I see. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I'll just update the label and we'll be ready to go.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Have a great day and good luck with your package.